Today I'm working on an engine control unit from a Range Rover. It's been damaged in an accident. The cover of this unit pressed down and hit this capacitor. You can see it's bent and caused a short circuit. If I tilt the board to the capacitor terminals and I measure the resistance, you can hear that is a short circuit. I have 0 ohms here and 0 ohms here. So first of all, I'm gonna desolder that capacitor and then I will measure again to see if the short is gone. If not, there should be other components as well damaged, and then I will continue with the measurement. And for now I need to desolder this capacitor, and this is a thick board. It's gonna absorb a lot of heat, so to be easier to remove that capacitor, I'm gonna use low melt solder to lower the melting temperature of this solder. Low melt solder will mix with leaded solder from the factory, and it will lower the melting temperature. Okay. This is the low melt solder. It has a very low melting temperature. I'm gonna put some flux here to help the solder flow easily. And I want to add just a tiny bit of low melt solder on every pen. Right now I'm gonna use hot air. Sorry. And as you can see, the solder is already melted. We need to wait for that solder to reach the other side of the PCB. It's gonna take some time. Now I can try to pull it out. Okay, and it's out. Here it is. Now I'm gonna measure again. And the short is gone. This is the ground, and here no more short. It's gone. Here I have a donor board, and I can use a capacitor from this donor board. I already checked and they are the same. If we look on this original capacitor, we can read 470 microfarads, 470 microfarads, and 35 volts. And on that donor board, they are the same. Okay, I'm gonna do the same for this replacement capacitor, and here it is. Yes, here it is. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna apply low melt solder. I'm gonna desolder it. Then I'm gonna clean the through holes from the original board. I'm gonna clean the solder from the holes. And I think we can take it out without hot air. I'm gonna shut off the hot air station. And look at that. It came right off. I didn't even touch it. Wow, very nice. I have a problem with my hot air station, and it's making a lot of noise. I'm just gonna wait till it shuts down, and I will continue. Okay. Now I want to get rid of that low melt solder, because we don't want to use it at soldering. We want to use it at desoldering. I'm using the wick. a little bit more on those pens. Okay. You can see they are identical. This is the broken one, and this is the replacement part. Okay. Let's clean the solder of this board. Let me use a light. Okay, now it's better. I'm gonna use the wick again to clear those through holes. With the help of the Lommel solder, it's way easier to remove that solder, especially from ground pads. I'm gonna clean it. I just like to be very clean. Okay, turn the board where it is, here. Okay, now I'm gonna put the capacitor here, and I'm gonna hold it with my finger from under the board until I solder at least one pin. I don't want to put too much solder in this hole, because on the other side of the PCB is gonna short the pins if it's too much. You learn how much solder it needs by time. Okay, I'm gonna read again. This is the ground and no short circuit. Nice. Nice. No short circuit. I want to clean again. All right, it's done. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna go and do something else now.